Wow everyone, it's Spencer and I've found my beautiful glossy friends for World Parrot Day in the rain. It's very wet. So come with me everyone and let's see what we can find. Look, it's that kid with the big camera. Glossy's just there. The big camera. Mum, Dad, look, it's that kid with the big camera. Oh, it's Spencer. Yeah, it's Spencer. So cool. This is a beautiful Glossie's favoured feed tree in this beautiful remnant habitat, and this is their only food source. It's the black she-oak cone and they crack it open to get at the seeds inside. It's pretty amazing. Now let's look for some Glossies. Wow everyone, this has been so amazing. Thank you so much Glossies. Bye everyone, happy World Parrot Day.